Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so scanning works smoothly. Unlock the device and make sure it's online. Samsung account actions need connectivity. Once done, open your camera app or pull down Quick Settings and tap the scanner icon if available. Hold steady and place the QR code so it fills roughly 40 to 70% of the view. That helps autofocus. Make sure the area is well lit and avoid reflections, because the system needs a clear image to detect and read the QR data. You now perform the scan and confirm the account action. Point the camera so the QR sits in the center. Hold still until you see an on-screen notification or card. Tap that Samsung account prompt. It takes you to the account sign-in or verification page. If the link asks to open in Samsung Internet, accept it. This often completes authentication with one tap. Make sure you review the account details on screen, because tapping confirms the intended account action and prevents accidental sign-ins to the wrong profile. Finish the process by following any on-screen instructions. Enter your Samsung account password or a one-time code, confirm device permissions, and accept terms if required. Once completed, check account settings to verify the device or action succeeded. If scanning fails, make sure the lens is clean and retry with steady hands. Alternatively, screenshot the QR and open it with a built-in QR reader or Samsung Internet's QR tool. Remember to sign out of any unexpected devices. This protects your account if a wrong code was used.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.